This brand is a part of Train Technologies and the units are only sold through a dealer network in the USA. The brand offers basic packaged gas furnaces that are designed for the price-conscious large home-building company market, and the warranty is not as good as many of the other brands. They use a slotted metal jacket to protect the condenser coil from damage, which is cheaper to make but not as good as louvered panel construction, and R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as R32. The J4PG4 models have a 14 SEER cooling efficiency and a 81% AFUE heating efficiency, but they use aluminized steel heat exchangers which resist corrosion but are not as durable as brands that use stainless steel. The units use direct spark ignition, which is louder and less reliable than hot surface ignition, and they do not offer models that qualify for the HVAC Repair Guy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HVAC Repair Guy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HVAC Repair Guy YouTube channel.